Down the years it's been a ride. Now I'm sorry I want more, let's not aim tonight. And on as we go we seem to fight. But baby that's just the way we love. And only do we see our sunlight. Home is where we were, home is where we want to be. And yes, we don't have time to say goodbye. And this ain't the last time. Now this time before we go, raise your hands, raise a toast. Time is something special, just like love before it starts to snow. It's crazy how the years have gone. Memories of the drug we're on. But darling, just remember that there's never a goodbye. Just forget, there's never a goodbye. So there's never a goodbye. Just forget, there's never a goodbye.
Kain mo tayo. Magandang gabi sa kanilang lahat.
Calling back to a different time. Maybe I need to hear your voice to make me smile. No, 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 it's not said and done. Baby, you can fly with me and we'd be one. And it's only time before we miss the fire. You and I reach the higher.
Ulam natin inihaw na galunggong.
Just see now years pass by. 10 years down the line and there's really gonna be a second time. But just now before we go we can make it right. Wipe your tears away cause there's no goodbye.
Sino nag-uulam ng galunggong? Inihaw. May inihaw ba ng galunggong?
Show me where you've gone so we can write this stone. Show me where you've gone when you come back home. Show me where you've gone so we can write this stone. Show me where you've gone when you come back home. Show me where you've gone so we can write this stone. Show me where you've gone so when you come back home. Show me where you've gone so we can write this stone. Show me where you've gone when you come back home.
Ngam.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not. not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a...
Kain tayo, kain. Sida nak tigalunggong at tinuno. Mabalin gayam tigalunggong at tinuno yan na imas gayam. Kasla ka magsursuro magkamot. Kamot ah. Nagimas to pa yung makan. Ito, ato hindi kwan ni, galunggong at tinuno. Ito lang ang tinabatin eh. Kapimpiman pa'y tao mo eh. Kapimpiman pa'y tao sila di galunggong. Agbado kamot agabsat. Ang masapol. And kopi. Ilagay ko sa baso. Ilagay natin sa baso yung kopi. Binili ko sa labas eh. Ayan, ba matatangkap sat di balita damot di pang ibaba nasampit sampit. Nagimas di kape. Hello Dixie. Hello Dixie, Miguela. Magandang gabi sa kanilang lahat. Kumain na ba kayo? Ayan, katatapos ko lang kumain. Ayan, mainit kasi pagka kumakain ako. Nagpapawisan ako kaya hubad-hubad. Ayan, kape tayo, kape. Ano daw? Kamukha mo si Beverly po. Ayan. O siyempre magkapatid kami. May alog ko siyempre magkapatid kami. Katatapos kong kumain, Dixie, hindi mo naabutan yung ulam ko, galunggong. Galunggong na ano na galunggong na ang tawag dito, galunggong na sinunog. Jojo Chua, ayan, big love shout out sa'yo, Jojo Chua, kumusta ka na, kuya? Andyan pa rin ba kayo sa ano, kuya, sa Brunei? Andyan pa ba kayo ngayon? OMG, but may ayun, mega love shoutout sa 8 million na viewers natin dyan. Ayan, kumain na ba kayo? Kung hindi pa, kain na kayo. Ayan, magandang gabi sa kanilang lahat. Kumusta po ang live? Kumusta po kayo? Ayan, kumain na ba kayo? Ayan, katatapos lang ng pagkain ko. Ayan, katatapos ko lang kumain pang gabi. Ayan, I'm going to end my live stream now. Ayan, salamat po sa mga nag-tune in, nanonood sa akin habang ako kumakain. Darlene Ann Padiris, ayan, shout out sa iyo, ma'am. Good evening sa iyo. Imjan Ramos, Laurita, kumusta ka na, bro? Kumusta ka na, bro? Asan ka na ngayon? Imbagbay si Ma. Akala mo lang yon. Matanda na ang kuya mo. Ayan. Lizelle Anchita Trinidad. Ayan, mega love shout out sa iyo, Kamsat. Kasinsin mo si Aisha Noy. Ayan ay kumusta sa mga kumusta yung mga pinsan natin diyan na nanonood. Ayan. Pasensya na kayo. Sa totoo lang, marami akong pinsan na hindi ko nare-recognize sila. Hindi ko sila nare-recognize pala. Kasi nga hindi kasi ako nag-stay ng matagal sa sa Villa Viciosa. Ayan, kung saan ako lumilipad eh. Wow, ulam. Ayan, Jubilin Dagansilong. Ayan, katatapos ko kumain. Nag-ulam ako ng galunggong. May pahubad-hubad na tayo ngayon ha. Dito lang sa FB, wala. Kumain kasi ako mainit. Ay hindi ako sanay na kumakain na nakadamit eh. Ayan, mainit. Oy, patamsak naman. Ayan, tamsak nyo naman si host. Ayan. Ayan, patamsak naman. Ayan, Virgie Trinidad. Ayan, mega love shout out sa'yo, Virgie Trinidad. At sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan, ayan, mega love shout out sa kanilang lahat. Magandang gabi pala. Ayan, I'm going to end my live stream now. Ayan, see you again sa mga susunod na araw. Ayan, at OMG, mega love shoutout sa 8 million na viewers natin dyan. Magandang hapon, magandang gabi, good morning, saan man kayo panig ng mundo naroroon. Yung pandemic ngayon, grabe, kaya mag-ingat-ingat po tayo. Ingat-ingat po tayo mga kababayan. Yes, Jovelyn Marquez, tamsak na po. Wow, laki ng bilbil. Ayan, I'm going to end my live stream now. Ayan, kita-kita na lang tayo ulit the other day. Ayan, bye-bye. Ang taba. Anong taba? Anong mataba ka dyan? Ayan, meron ngang dito, Ay, tapos na yung bundok. Ay, mataba talaga yan kasi malaki. Ayan, Tita Yolanda Cabrales. Ayan, Tita, good evening sa'yo dyan, Tita. Gigi Gusimat daw. Ayan, bye-bye na po. Ayan, Maribik Sabungin Agayed. Ayan. Mag-e-end na po ako. Ayan, maraming salamat sa mga nag-tune in, sumilip sa aking live stream, at sa mga naninilip dyan na hindi nagpaparamdam. Ayan, maraming salamat sa inyo. Ayan, have a good night, good evening. Ayan, bye. Ninilip dyan, ayan, mega love shout out kay Migila Family Vlog. Ayan, yung naninilip dyan. Tayo ka. Anong tayo? Oy, magdabi. Ayan, bye-bye na guys, bye-bye. Ayan, see you again next time. Bye-bye. Bigat min, kariring ko ay naka-live ka. Sino ipopromote mo ka nakan? Keep safe na kong agsapa min. Oo nga pala no. Iba pala yung oras dyan. Naninilip ayan manong. Ayan. Ayan, bye bye na, bye bye guys, bye bye.